In rainy season, stay alert. To safely remove a tick from your dog using a liquid treatment, you'll first need to identify if it's actually a tick and not a skin tag or other bump. Use Tickrid liquid 5 milliliters and mix it in 1 liter water. Wear gloves when using it. Gloves serve as a protective barrier, safeguarding hands from potential hazards like germs, chemicals, or physical injuries, and also preventing contamination of surfaces. Gently apply liquid by rubbing on dog's skin, and when using it, keep children away.